Do you see it? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of the rope. And then you're gonna jump over there. Over there. Over there. I'll go to you. So over here. Right here, bud. Right here. No, honey, go all the way around. Where I am. Put your toes right here. Actually, let's go over here because then they're closer. So right here. Right here. Where my hands are. Okay, when you jump, I'm going to have you do pencil. So this is straight, just going all the way. And then you're going to swim, ice cream, okay? So freestyle all the way and dive for your torpedo. Can you handle it? Okay, I'm going to go a little farther. Ready? Go. Go. Ice cream. Okay. Ice cream all the way. Good. Ice cream. Good. Ice cream. Long arms. Long arms. Long legs. Ice cream all the way. Good. Okay. Dive. Go. Nice. Nice job, buddy. Woo!
Woohoo!
Got it.
Good job, Ryan.
All right. Do you want to swim all the way back and climb out that way? Let's do that, actually. That'll be good. You need to climb out that way. Don't use the steps, okay? Push off. This time I want you to try to do your pizza arms. Kick. Kick all the way. Keep kicking. Good. 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 All the way. Good. Nice, Ryan. Yeah.
Good job, Ryan.
Mister.
Awesome.
Good job, buddy. Okay? All right. Good job.